Let's make pretty felt flowers together. Cut 2 squares out of a sheet of felt. One should be 5 cm wide, and one 3 cm wide. Draw a simple flower, with petals reaching into the corners. Draw a simple flower on the other square as well. Cut the flowers out, using scissors. Cut a small hole in the center of the flower. Cut a hole in the center of the other flower. Line up a few flower stamens. These can be purchased in craft shops, or from millinery suppliers. Fold the stamens in half. Twist the folded stamens. Pull the stamens through the center of the small flower first. Then, pull them through the large flower. You could add a drop of glue, where the stamens meet the felt. The flowers can be used as decorations, on their own. They could also be used for craft projects. For example, you could use them when making handmade hair clips, or decorative baskets. You could also glue them onto place settings, or tie them into a decorative garland.